Hello everyone. This is an informational video to introduce Virotour, the cutting-edge virtual tour software that enables you to showcase physical spaces in stunning detail. With immersive virtual tours featuring interactive panoramic images and informational hotspots with extracted text, Virotour offers a dynamic and engaging way for users to explore virtual spaces. Whether you're creating new tours by uploading panoramic images or editing existing ones, Virotour's intuitive interface and advanced features make it easy to customize your tours to suit your needs. Plus, with a glow filter and virtual reality compatible with VR headsets, Virotour takes your virtual tour experience to the next level. Now let's see what the software has to offer. For this video, I will be showcasing Virotour in a Chromium-based browser, Edge. Virotour is also available on iOS and Android devices. Here we see the List View homepage. This page will list out all available tours and show the tour's name and description. At the end of each tour's row, we have an edit icon. Clicking on this icon will take you to the edit view, where you can change the tour's name and description or delete the tour entirely. On the left-hand side of the app bar, we have a hamburger menu with 4 options. The first option, View Tours, will take the user back to the tour's list view. The Create Tour option opens the Create Tour page, which allows the user to enter a name, description, and upload images to create a tour. Virotour's backend will then take the images and determine each image's neighbor image and extract text, which will be used to create the full interactive tour. The next option we have is Search Tours. This allows users to search for either a tour's name or description. The list below the text input box will filter out any items that do not match the search string. Clicking on a tour inside the filtered list will take the user directly to that tour. Finally, we have Search Hotspots. This allows users to search the informational hotspots inside tours. Clicking on an item will take the user directly to that tour's image that contains the informational hotspot. On the right-hand side of the app bar, we have the Settings wheel. Clicking on the Settings wheel will take you to the Settings page, which has 3 items. The first drop-down menu allows you to change the theme of the application. The options are System Theme, Light Theme, and Dark Theme. Next, we have a Glow Effect button. This button will allow users to put a glow filter on the current image they are looking at. After the filter is applied, the image will maintain the glow effect until it is reverted or changed. And lastly, we have the Share button. Clicking on this button will allow users to create a shareable link that will take the recipient directly to the shared image inside of a tour. Now let's jump into a tour. This tour includes images from the National Air and Space Museum in Virginia. Immediately, we see the zoom controls, a full screen option, and the name of the current location. You are able to manipulate the image by dragging your mouse around, and you are also able to use the mouse wheel to zoom. If you're using Virotour on a mobile device, like iOS or Android, you are able to move around the image by dragging your finger, and you can zoom in and out by pinching. Here we see a transitional hotspot. Hovering over the hotspot will tell the user the name of the next location. Clicking on the transitional hotspot will take the user to the next image. Now this image is a little more interesting because now we have transitional hotspots and informational hotspots. Hovering over informational hotspots will give some additional information about the item or text. Now we're able to move about the museum by clicking on different transitional hotspots. Two of Virotour's features that I mentioned previously are not fully finished, but are at the point where we can still give a quick demonstration. The first feature is the VR view, which works with virtual reality headsets to give a more immersive tour experience. To see the VR view, we click on the VR view button in the top left of the tour view. This has 2 different options, one that is compatible with Google Cardboard and one that is compatible with more traditional VR headsets. Clicking on the button toggles between the different views. Clicking on a button a third time goes back to the normal tour view. The next feature is the glow effect. As previously mentioned, to put a glow effect on a currently viewed image, you click on the Settings wheel and choose the Glow Effect button. This will show an adjustable bar below the tour's image that allows the user to customize the power of the glow effect.